So hello, it's a pool day, the official pool day. Actually yesterday evening when I went out to the restaurant, I froze a little bit, I was freezing a little bit. I had to have a jumper on me, so and I slept for many hours and was still tired this morning, so I was thinking maybe it's time to do something not so much today. So it's a little bit cloudy but also some sun, so that's nice. It's my last day here in Ubud, and tomorrow I will leave to Seminyak on the west coast just for a few days, and then I'm off to Thailand after that. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be here all day. There is a rice field thing going on. Maybe I'll do that. So it's my last day in Ubud. I've been in the pool and it's like 2:30 or something like that. Hello. Well, I'm out and about. Very nice to be in the pool. Now it's like 2:30, maybe 3 o'clock. And I'm going just outside Ubud. It's very close to here. And it's called Campuhan ridgewalk, which is like a walk through the rice fields. So I hope it's gonna be like a nice walk. There's so many mopeds here. I don't know if this is really organized as well, or if you just can walk. I thought it was like a very ordinary just a walk, but maybe you have to. There's an entrance here as well. Look at this tree. So this, I don't know if it's like, it seems very organized or just like a tourist thing. There's a lot of you can buy a lot of stuff here, and apparently there's something, I don't know, I thought it was like a rice field walk, but then you have to have a sarong on you. So yeah. Okay, so this is why you have to have a sarong. It's a sacred river, sacred Campuhan river, the meeting point of two rivers, the masculine and feminine balance, a holy river for purification and meditation. Just outside the temple here. Look at that. So it seems like maybe it's 4 kilometers front and back, because you're meeting people. So maybe you go there and then go back. We'll see what happens. It's been going upwards, all upwards, as you can tell from my breath. But now it sort of evens out, I think. So it's just been going upwards. But now it sort of levels out. Oh, it's going down a little bit again. And I don't think you need a sarong, because all the people I meet here don't have a sarong. I think it was just for the temple. So he didn't understand me when I asked him. So, but I keep it on. Because it feels nice on the legs. Fluffy. Look, what a cool house. Is it a temple or is it that doorway? Kind of frightening, going into the mouth, and then there's a regular house. I'm a little bit more than halfway, so it's just been a nice walk up and down, and here you can buy some things. Oh, yeah. So we've been walking 1.2 kilometers, so it's only 800 meters left. I'm kind of actually surprised. I thought I walked less. I thought I only walked 700, so that's good. There's a lot of here halfway You know, there's a lot of restaurants if you want to stop, and you can go back. Oh look, it was only 500 meters. The meters run fast away. Maybe I'll have an ice cream here when I come back. Oh, vegan. There's a lot of restaurants here halfway, and there's also ice cream. I think I will take ice cream when I come back. I'm not, I can't celebrate yet. They have like organic premium gelato, and look, a lot of vegan gelato as well. Shout out to Jocke and Susanne again. I do shout out to them every time I found something vegan. There's a lot of vegan and vegetarian things in Bali. Well, I should also say that there's not only vegan ice cream here, there's a lot of vegan, like, ordinary dishes as well. Because you can't live on just ice cream. Can you? So here you see this rice here is about to, they can farm it. They could, yeah. So this is the rice here. It's ready to take down, whatever you say, like harvest it. I've learned. And if you want black rice, it has to be a little bit higher. This could be even black rice because it's very high. We're closing in on at the end, I think. Well, the rice fields are starting here, and here you can see the height of it, and this is ready to be harvested. If you want black rice, they should be a little bit, maybe this is black rice also, because this is very, very high. And here you can see the rice. Well, then you have to like lay down and harvest it, lay it down, and then it should dry and yeah, things, and also peel it. Yeah. So this is the Karsa Cafe that I think that the Kahum Ridge walk is sort of stopping here. And here they have like nice bungalows, no, not bungalows, but on water. So the rye fields are back here, and now it's sort of nothing happening. I've been walking beyond that Kerta Cafe, so I think I'm turning here and going back. And if you want to buy something to wear, here's options. This Tawi here, well, or whatever what do you call it? This is marking that this rice field has an owner, and it's the same thing here. That this rice field has an owner, so they sort of know who owns it, and you also can get offerings here. Of course, they do offerings here every day to protect the harvest. I think on the other side of this hotel, I think it's a beautiful view, but you're not allowed to go inside. But it is jungle. It's jungle. Maybe you see a river, so I'm not jealous. Look at nice things. There were actually some quite a few art galleries up here. Like, I don't know, I saw some over here as well. So apparently that's an art area. Here's another one with big paintings, and here we have another one. It's egg painting. That's something I don't know really actually what it is. Painting with eggs, maybe.
This one,
Yeah. So I'm coming to my reward. Well, do you know what? That was ridiculously expensive. I could get a whole meal. If I wanted 2 scoops of ice cream, I could get a whole meal out in a restaurant. So No. No, I took some water, so I'm full anyway. Let's enjoy this instead. Oh, ducks. Very nice. Like I said, a lot of art galleries here. A nice walk, a very nice walk. So leaving the area now, it was very, very nice, but I thought that it was, well, it was much different than I thought. So here is the road. A lot of shops, a lot of art galleries and things like that. And I thought this was a walk amongst the rice fields and stuff. You did see rice fields at the end there, but I thought it would have been, yeah, not a paved like this. But anywho, it is still nice. So, and the art galleries, I didn't buy anything, but it was like very organized and good. Yeah. So now we're heading back to the civilization. And now I left sort of the village behind me, and we're on this path again. Yeah, so don't expect to go amongst the rice fields when you come here. It is a nice walk, up and down, and then you come to sort of like a art gallery road, and then you see rice fields at the end, but you don't walk amongst them. No. Yeah, looks kind of nice, doesn't it? So this is something you can do. There's a lot of places in Bali. Do a swing, I mean, sling. And I'm back to the motor park. I think there's a ceremony or something at the temple because it's even more. I don't know why they put. I mean, how are they supposed to get out? Let's see if I can get out, or if I'm like stuck. I don't know why. Why in the hell? Why do you put your motorbike like this? That's my motorbike. That's ridiculous. God damn it. Okay, it's a good thing they haven't locked their steer. Like there's this thing here, because then you can actually roll them and take them on the side. So yeah. This man over here, he just came and he put his motorbike like this, just in front of mine. And I don't know how they think. But usually they are very, very polite and stuff, but this is like very, very strange how they think. Yes. So I'm going to take out some money, and this Maybank is very good because you can, if you want to take out a lot of money, you can take out 3 million rupiah in this one. In other places you can only take, sometimes it's like only 500 and sometimes it's like 1 million. But here you can take out 3 million, up to 3 million at once, which is good. So I was actually just going to find some gas and then go home. But then I saw this, I don't know if you can see it. It's a sign saying Tekalalang. And that's very, very nice rice fields. And I've seen it, but just passing by. So I'm going there. Yay!